What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you my choreography that I did with Nicole to BLACKPINK's How You Like That. Now this is part 2 of the choreography, but if you happen to cross this video first, it's okay because we don't need part 1. Part 1 is a little more advanced, and this is like the really fun party part at the end. So even if you're new to dance, newer to choreography, you're gonna be able to learn this. I'm gonna break it down for you guys super easy. And if you wanna find out more about tutorials, how to film videos, social media, dancing from amazing teachers all over the world, make sure you go to dncr.com. My online dance academy is opening and I'm so excited. We've been putting so much work in it and making it not just like an online tutorial thing, it's actually a community where we can hang out with you guys, talk to you, give you feedback, do live streams, Q&As, all these amazing things. So dncr.com, go check it out. But let's get into this choreography right now. So the first thing that we're gonna do, if you've seen the video, there's like this little transition and then the beat comes in really fast. So the first thing we have is a running man, which is a little old school step, little shuffling you guys might know about. You're just gonna go right foot and left foot. And when I say right foot or left foot, I'm talking about the foot that's going down, right? So I'm prepping my right leg up, I'm going down on my right and down on my left. My hands are just gonna go up, up 2 times like that. So you're gonna go 1, 2. Now obviously you wanna put a little more energy, boom, ha, and make it really hype so that we get that vibe right away. So it's 6, 7, 8, zoom, and wah. Then from here, you're gonna take your right foot out, you're gonna go up, up over your head like this. And you can play with your arms, like it's just about having fun. I think in the video I actually do one arm, I kind of like that one arm vibe better. So you can play with it however you feel good here. What you want to make sure of when you do this step is that as your foot goes out, your heel goes out. So my right foot out, left heel out, and then I come back in and out and back in. So we have 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1 and 2 and A. Then you're just going to take this right foot, you're going to go D, D, D. So your heel is tapping 3 times. Gee, gee, and then you're gonna take your shoulders and go 7, 8. And this is just a groove. I'm thinking of taking my right shoulder forward, but honestly, what you wanna feel more than the specifics of how you're doing it is this energy of like, doom, doom, da, a. Just kind of chill for 2 counts because then it's gonna get full out again. So let's try that first 8 count together. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and hey. Hey, and D, 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 and yeah. From here, you're gonna step forward on your right. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna drop down and punch forward, forward, back, back. And my hands are going right, left, throw, throw. So when we do that a little faster into that 1, you went 7, 8 is going 1, 2, 3, punch, doom, doom, da, da, A. Your feet jump together on that last one. From here, we have a really easy step. You're gonna repeat it 6 times. You're gonna take your right shoulder and elbow forward, switch, then you're gonna double, and switch, switch, that's 6, and then you're gonna go 7, 8. You're just gonna flip your hands and slide. So let's break down this groove one time. All my legs are doing, as I lean to the left, I just let my opposite foot kick out, right? So I'm here. So it's 7, 8, I'm going out, 2, 3, 4, then I'm going 5, 6, then I slide to the right. All I'm adding to this, it's like you're elbowing somebody, you're saying like, hey, what's up? So all I'm doing is doom, da, and zoom. But add some energy to it, A. Then, last part, you guys almost made it through the whole thing already, you good? Here, 7, 8, you're gonna step forward on your right, you're gonna go 1, you're gonna go and 2, then you're gonna kick this foot forward and pull it back. So I'm stepping forward, my heels are twisting forward, back, and my hands, whoom, ha. Then I go deep, deep, I pull it back. I'm gonna just go yeah, a little groove, right, left, right. Then you're gonna jump out 5 and 6, and then you're gonna go boom, boom, boom. And the last one, when you release it, it's really quick, doom, doom, doom. You can go wherever you want. So you could go this way, you could go whoop, but then you're gonna go shoom, and come back to the center really clean. It's almost like a slow motion and then like a rewind, like whoop. And that's the end of the combo. Amazing job learning it. Now you might be thinking, I don't quite have it perfect yet. Can we go from the top? Yes, absolutely. Let's go slowly from the top. Put everything together. You go 6, 7, 8. You're going right, left, out, out. You go heel, heel, heel. Chill. 7, 8, swing 1, 2, 3, 4, drop down 5 and 6 and whoop. I go 1, 2, double here. This is 5, 6, slide 7, step forward 1 and 2 and deep, deep dive. Whoop and coom, coom, coom. Hey, nice. So rewind that as many times as you need. Make sure you got it down slow. When you're ready, we're gonna try a little faster. Get it up to speed. You good? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 8 and deep, deep dive and yeah. Swing 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep, deep, wow, wow, boom. High elbow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chill 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and hey, doom, doom, doom and zoom and geek. Shoo. Hey, make sure you end it strong. And then if you want to go into a freestyle, do whatever you're feeling. Just have fun with this combo. This is one of those things where if you've never done these steps before, at first, every step you're gonna be like, what's the foot? How's it go? If you practice a little bit, you're gonna get it down. And that's why also we created the Academy for you guys that want a little bit more structure. We've got everything on there, how to do waves, how to shuffle, choreography, all kind of stuff. So go check out dncr.com. I'm still gonna be posting tons of tutorials here for you guys as well on YouTube. So thanks for dancing with me today. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you back in the studio for another video soon.